Hello. Sangeetam Atmabhasha Hridayasya Gun Samvada Yatra Shabda Layam Gachati Tatra Brahma Swarupam Vasati. Music is the language of the soul, a profound dialogue of the heart. Where every note melts into rhythm, there dwells the divine essence. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ayushi Parekh.
I am Aryan Shah.
We extend a warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, Dr. Archana Mishra, Principal Navrashna Vidyani Vidyalaya, Ms. Khushbu Pachigar, PTA President, respected dignitaries, talented participants, and enthusiastic audience. It is indeed a privilege to have you here as we bring down the curtains on Fusion Fest 2025-26, where music meets movement.
Over the past few days, this stage has witnessed artistry at its zenith. Melodies that moved hearts, movements that told stories, and performances that celebrated creativity. Whether you leave today with a trophy or with treasured memories, remember, you have been the soul of this festival.
Now, let's set the evening ablaze with an electrifying act by our very own Navrachna Fusion Band, Nav Nirvana. Prepare to experience a musical montage where Indian classical blends with Western beats. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Nav Nirvana.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fields? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you
energy-packed performance. Put your hands together for Nav Nirvana.
We are truly honored to welcome Professor Darshan Satish Chandra Purohit, our chief guest for this evening, an alumnus of Navrachna Higher Secondary School, a luminary in the world of performing arts. With over 25 years of academic brilliance and 30 plus years as an actor, director, and choreographer, he has carried India's cultural pride to Mauritius, South Africa, the UK, and beyond.
A key contributor to UGC, NTA, IGNOU, and JNU panels, Professor Purohit has recently been felicitated by the High Commission of India in Sri Lanka 2024 for his outstanding role in cultural exchange. His expertise spans drama, Bharatnatyam, and art aesthetics, inspiring generations to preserve and propagate India's rich heritage. We welcome you, sir. I now request Suprabha ma'am to present a token of our appreciation to our chief guest, Darshan sir.
Before we head to the most awaited moment, the award ceremony, let's pause for reflections. Your experiences and suggestions will make Fusion Fest stronger each year. To begin, we invite Mishti Darji from New Era School to share her insights.
A very hearty good evening to everyone present out here. My name is Mishti Darji from New Era Senior Secondary School. First of all, I would like to thank Navrachna School for organizing such a big and wonderful event, providing stage to all of the students and to showcase their talent. I would also like to give a token of appreciation to all my fellow marshals who organized and managed this event so well and so smoothly that we enjoyed a lot. We enjoyed the Nav Fusion Fest and we collected a lot of memories over here which are unforgettable. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your valuable thoughts. Next, please join me in welcoming participant Dhyani Dalwadi from Shannon School to share her reflections.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Dhyani Dalwadi representing Shannon School. But before that, I would like to mention that I am an ex-student of this school. And coming back surely feels like a nostalgic moment. These walls have some power, and I must thank the organizing team for putting up such a successful event. All the events were on time, there were no delays, and the backup plans for in lieu of the rains were apt. All the competitions were really unique, and we really enjoyed curating ideas and, of course, practicing every day. All the teams did a great job. It was challenging, but it brought out the best of us. In all, I would like to thank all the council members, marshals, and the technical team, all my friends, for putting up such a great event. They worked behind the scenes so that the spotlight could shine on the stage, and we all must appreciate that. We take back a lot of memories and learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your thoughtful recollections. It is crucial to our ongoing progress. Now, we are delighted to welcome participant Bhavya Shah from Cygnus World School to share some valuable observations.
Good evening everyone. I am Bhavya Shah from Cygnus World School. So to be honest, the Navrachna Fusion Fest 2025 had been a wonderful experience. The competitions, the events were filled with talent, encouragement and enthusiasm. And I saw a lot of teams encouraging, motivating each other. And a big thank you to the organizers, the escorts, the volunteers and the whole Navrachna team and everyone who supported this event because we are going back with a lot of memories and we are surely coming back for more. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your valuable observations. Next, we invite Vivitsa Parmar from Delhi Public School, Harni, to share her insights.
Good evening, everyone. I am Vivitsa Parmar, and I stand here on behalf of Delhi Public School, Harni, to show my appreciation for the management. And honestly, I'm absolutely overwhelmed with this incredible program, and I feel so honored to be here. Like, since the beginning, everything has been meticulously planned and executed flawlessly. And I'd like to thank the teachers, the principal, and basically the entire school team for giving us a chance to showcase our talent on the stage. Lastly, I'd like to thank our headmaster, headmistress, our talented dance teachers, and the accompanied dedicated teachers for their unwavered trust and support in us. Thank you for making this event absolutely unforgettable. Have a nice day.
Thank you for your valuable insights. Last but not the least, please join me in welcoming participant Nidhi Pradhan from Bright Day Harni to share her reflections.
Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Pradhan and I'm from Bright Day School, Harni. I just wanted to say that the last 2 days and today was an amazing experience for me as well as my team. And I would like to thank the volunteers, the students, the teachers, and especially our marshals for helping us have a great time over here, for helping us, for escorting us. And I just want to appreciate Navrachna Vidyalaya for organizing the Fusion Fest 2025. It was truly an amazing experience to stand there on the stage, to perform, and to stand there in the spotlight. I will never forget the last 3 days. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your feedback. We highly appreciate it.
When Bharatnatyam's devotion meets Kathak's rhythm, tradition becomes a timeless art. Strength and grace unite, weaving a dialogue of heritage. Coming up next is an exhilarating performance by the students of Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya.
यतो हस्त ततो दृष्टि, यतो दृष्टि ततो मनः, यतो मनः ततो भावः, यतो भावः ततो रसः.
जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन तोम तोम जनन जनन तनन तनन गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम
एक दक्षिण से आई,
तदिगे न तोम तदिगे न तोम तदिगे न तोम।
एक उत्तर की है शान।
ताथे ते ताथे ते ताथे ते ताथे ते ता।
भरतनाट्यम और कथक दो नदियाँ एक जान। एक है गूढ़ गंभीर शिव की तपस्या, एक है रास रोमांच राधा की अभिलाषा। भरतनाट्यम बोले मुद्राओं की भाषा, कथक कहे चक्रों में बहती है आशा। एक ने भाव से जोड़े देवों के स्वरूप, एक ने दरबारों में रचे सौंदर्य के रूप। अब दोनों साथ कहे प्रेम और भक्ति की बात, एक मंच पर गूंजे दो शैलियों की सौगात।
तकिट तकिट तिन तकिट तकिट दिन तत्तजम तजम तत्तजम तजम तकिट तकिट तिन तकिट तकिट दिन तत्तजम तजम तत्तजम तजम तकिट तकिट तिन तत्तजम तजम तकिट तकिट दिन तत्तजम तजम तकिट दिन तज्जम तकिट दिन तज्जम तज्जम तकिट जम तकिट जम तकिट दिन।
पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला, पदुमनाभ तुम्हारी लीला।
शृंगारम हास्यम करुणम करुणम रौद्रम वीरम भयम 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 भीभत्सम भीभत्सम अद्भुतम अद्भुतम शांतम शांतम शांतम
गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम नात्र कीट तोम नाच रहे गोरी ताई तै तोम तेरे तोम गीत धूमि कुतक धीम निकुतक धीम निकुतक धीम।
What a sensational performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
The time has come to honor individual brilliance and duos who mesmerized us. I now invite Ms. Shelja Nair to take charge of this exciting segment.
Thank you, Aryan. Good evening, everyone. What a beautiful evening. The stage is set. The excitement. How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Definitely it's high. And it's time to celebrate those who turn challenges into excitement. May I request our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to escort our chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, onto the stage to give away the prizes. अनुनाद अपनी एक अनोखी कहानी बयान करती है. The third position in this category goes to Swar Shroff, team code NV08, Delhi Public School, Vadodara. Come on up, Swar. Very good, Swar. Awesome, very good. The second position is secured by Atharva Rutvich Kanjiwal, team code NV04, Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalay. Come up, Atharva. Congratulations, beta. जैसे उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन कहते हैं, तबला सिर्फ एक साज नहीं, एक गुफ्तगू है, बस वैसे ही है. And the top spot of Anunad is backed by Jwalit Bhuj, NV11, Right High School, Vasna. Come on up, Jwalit. The stage is all yours. Awesome presentation, Jwalit. Next, under the senior category 9 to 12 is Swar Rang, a solo classical singing competition wherein the vocalist explored the infinite within each note, an introspective offering of the voice to the divine. The third position goes to Shri Pathak, team code NV03, New Era Senior Secondary School. Come up, Shri. Congratulations, Shri. The second position is secured by Adya Nadik, team code NV17, Anand Vidya Vihar. Come on up, Adya. Congratulations, Adya. Awesome feat. The top spot in Swar Rang, whose voice turned every note into a prayer and every melody into magic. And the winner is Kavya Joshi, NV09, T.R. Ramin Memorial School. Come on up, Kavya. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the winners. Next up, we have the competition, Tatkar and Mudra, a jugalbandi of Kathak and Bharatanatyam under the senior category 9 to 12, a duet that mirrors harmony in contrast. It is a celebration of India's two monumental classical traditions converging as one expressive force. The third position is awarded to the team code NV07, Nupur Shah and Vaishnavi Sharma, Delhi Public School. Come on up, girls, you deserve every moment of it. Congratulations. The second position is awarded to team code NV03, Mishti Darji, Niyati Parmar, New Era Senior Secondary School. Come on up, girls. Keep it up. What a jugalbandi. And the first spot in Tatkar and Mudra goes to a duo whose steps blended in Kathak and Bharatanatyam, woven together into one powerful expression, creating harmony in every movement. And the winner is team code NV03, Prushti Thakur and Shankari Bole from Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. Awesome girls, you're all set on the stage. क्या जुगलबंदी है, हो जाए तालियों की जुगलबंदी. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Aryan for further proceedings.
I now request Ms. Anagha Koteshwar, section in charge secondary stage, to escort our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Darshan Purohit, to address the August gathering.
आंगिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवं. Good evening, young friends. Where should I start from? The shlok which I just recited, can anybody tell me where is it coming from and it is dedicated to whom? Any of the participants? Any of the participants? There is a clue right in front of me and there is a clue there. Can you see there? Can you see right in the front of the podium? Who's he? Lord Shiva in the form of Nataraj. And why do we recite this shloka before every performance? Am I testing you? When we are on the stage, we must know certain things. And this shloka dedicated to the Lord Shiva, it says, Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya. What is Angikam? The dancers on the stage, what did they do? The acting or the abhinaya that you do with your anga, the body, all your gestures, all your movements. And they did on one another shloka, Yato hastas tato drishti, Yato drishtis tato mana, Yato manas tato bhava, Yato bhavas tato rasa. Yato hastas tato drishti. जहां आपका हस्त जाता है, where the gestures go, there goes the gaze. Where the gaze goes, there goes your concentrated mind. Where your mind is, there is bhava. That is emotions that we call. And when bhava, that is sthai bhava, when it aroused by vibhav, anubhav and vyabhichari bhava, there is rasa nishpatti, the aesthetic experience. So where there is bhava, there is rasa. I'm sure the teachers dealing with the students of dance, music, drama at various schools are giving them this basic understanding and knowledge of what they are doing. Let it not be a mechanical exercise that this is the song, this is the music, you dance on this, you recite this poetry, you learn this lines and dialogues and perform. Why we are doing so? What for? You have been clapping for all the performances, right? And when you clap, the actors, the dancers, the singers, they are inspired, they are encouraged. And after coming off the stage, they think that they are the best dancers, best singers. You've climbed the podium, got your prizes, first, second, third, enjoyed it. But remember the shloka, Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya. Why? Because the entire gestures and the movements in the universe is the manifestation of Lord Nataraj. As also, Vachikam Sarva Vangmayam, every word, every sound is also the manifestation of Lord Shiva. And the ornaments that you adorn with, and what ornaments does Lord Shiva have? Aharyam Chandra Taradi. The moon and the stars are his ornaments. And at the very end, Tam Numa Satvikam Shivam. To this Lord Shiva, who is the essence of Sattva and Sattvika, we bow down. This is very important. This is very important shloka. And now you must be well aware that our age-old treatise Natya Shastra and Bhagavad Gita, what have they attained? Can anybody tell me from the students? Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. How are they recognized now? Can anybody tell me? Are you keeping track of the current affairs? Anyone? No? No? Yes, someone. I can hear some voice. Huh? Come. Yes. See it from there. They have been registered and added to UNESCO's Memory of the World. Wonderful. Clap for her. They are now part of the prestigious Memory of the World, both Natya Shastra and Bhagavad Gita. And Natya Shastra is the treatise written by sage Bharata Muni between the 3rd and the 5th century. And many other commentaries have been written on Natya Shastra by several scholars from Abhinav Gupta to Bhatt Lolat, Bhatt Nayak, Shri Shankuk, and the others. Now, this is very important, and I think this school has been my first platform since, I would say, the year when I came to Anand Balwadi. Yes, I remember those days of Anand Balwadi, and then my days until 1985. So it's been 40 years now. But still, this Bhumi inspires me to come back again and again. मान करके चलिए, बहुत पवित्र भूमि है. सविता जी ने, नानू भाई ने और उसके बाद तेजल बहन ने बहुत इसका सिंचन किया है, और अनेक अनेक प्रिंसिपल्स. आज सुप्रभा मैम है, हमारे वक्त जयेंद्र भाई चौकसी थे. All visionaries. I stand before you because of Mr. Jayendra Choksi. He was the one who identified the talent in me, and I have oft repeated this at various functions of Navrashna, but the audience is different. The students are different. I was in class 7th, and he came to those ground floor classrooms. He tapped on my back and he said that you are the future performing artist of this country. That was his vision. And many of your teachers, present teachers, would do the same. Inspire you, encourage you, motivate you in this realm of performing arts. I see many of my students and friends as your teachers now. Gaurav is here, Chirayu is here, my friend Nilesh is there, and many others. I'm very bad at names. Sorry if I cannot remember your names. So while you teach these students, and this is for all the schools and all the teachers in performing arts, that please give them this basic understanding of what Natya Shastra is. Will you do that? The basic, how the Natya, the origin of Natya. Please talk about that. How did the 4 elements combine to become the Natya Veda? The recitation was taken from the Rig Veda, the song from the Sama Veda, the gestures, movements, abhinaya from the Yajur Veda, and the emotions and sentiments from the Atharva Veda. And that combined to become the Natya Veda, and from Natya Veda came the Natya Shastra. Now, how beautiful combination of Natya Shastra and Bhagavad Gita. Last year, I went through little back issues and I started reading Bhagavad Gita all over again. And all these years and decades I was reading Natya Shastra, and Nilesh would know it. I mean, sorry, I must call him Nilesh sir, but you know, Nilesh is my friend. So, it talks about the 4 Nayaka, right? Nayak, Nayika Bhed, the hero and the heroine types. Well, before I proceed further. Is it getting interesting or boring? Interesting or boring? You know? Interesting? Are you learning something? Okay, good. Now, the four Nayaka, Dhir Lalita, Dhir Prashanta, Dhiroddat and Dhir Uddhata. Every Nayaka is prefixed as Dhira. And I was perplexed since decades that why Dhira? How can a Uddhata be Dhira? How can Lalit also be Dhira? How can Prashanta also be Dhira? And I could not get the answer in Natya Shastra. So while I was reading Bhagavad Gita, I call it Bhagavad Gita and not Bhagavad Gita because Gita is very much British. It is the song of the Lord, Bhagavad Gita. We always pronounce it as Gita, but there is nothing like Gita, it is Geet. Like Ram has become Rama, Lakshman, Lakshmana, Ravan, Ravana. So there I found when Lord Krishna was advising Arjun, there came the meaning of the word Dhira. And it was very interesting. It said that who is Dhir? Dhir is a person who is knowledgeable about his own self, which means the ego, the word which we often misinterpret. We always teach students that ego is not good. Don't be egoistic. The translation of the word ego is aham. And what is aham or ego? Our Shastra says that it is self-consciousness. How can we not tell our students and young learners that you must have ego? Ego is to know your own self-consciousness. And that is why, if you read our four Mahavakyas, it has, every Vakya has this Aham and Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi. What is Aham Brahmasmi? The self-consciousness in me saying that the Brahma is within me. Tattvamasi, you are that. Pragnanam Brahma, the knowledge is Brahma. If you are knowledgeable, then their Brahma is there. So all these aspects will not only make our children different from the world, it will also enlighten them of what we are and where we come from. That is very important. I know it is becoming a class on Natya Shastra. But this is very important for our children to know and understand when they are on the stage. A simple question to all of you, that when you are on stage, what are the elements that you explore? How does a play come onto the stage? What are the elements that you use? And you would name the production, the direction, the acting, the emotions, the sentiments, and all those. And we think that all these things were given to us by the Westerners. The Britishers who came to India and gave us the British theatre, the Western theatre, Shakespearean theatre. I appreciate them. They brought with them their culture, their performing arts, their dance, their music, their drama. But what about us? What about our own legacy? So Bharata in Natya Shastra talks about these 11 elements, and I have not found the 12th one. If you have it, then let me know. And he says, Rasa bhavayaha abhinaya dharmi vritti pravrittiyah siddhi swarasthata atodya ganam rangasya sangraha. I know you are clapping for me because I spoke in Sanskrit, the language which we do not understand. And sorry to say that all our books of knowledge are in this language. Whether it be performing arts, whether it be economics, whether it be medicine, all the books are in this language, and we have forgotten them and dependent upon the Western books. Where is Sushrut Samhita? Where is Artha Shastra? Where is Natya Shastra? So we must establish a connect, at least make our children aware that we are a great nation. We have great tradition, a long heritage, deep understanding of various aspects of life, including spirituality and all the modern subjects that you study today. So these 11 elements, and I will complete my talk after this. It says rasa, that is sentiments, bhava, emotions, abhinaya, the acting. Then dharmi, what kind of representative style that you are performing on stage, like the girls did Bharatanatyam and Kathak, a Jugalbandi. Now, what was the format of acting or abhinaya here? Was it realistic? No, it was stylized. So, Bharat talks about Natya Dharmi as stylization and realism as Lokadharmi. So, two types of dharmi, four types of vritti. The Bharati, the Satvati, the Kaishiki, the Arbhati. And the four pravrittis. When we do a play, we take into consideration where the character comes from which region, what language does he speak, what kind of attire, what kind of ornaments does he adorn. And accordingly, we try to give him or her costumes and ornaments. So that comes from the pravritti. And it talks about the four regions. The Akhanda Bharat was divided into four regions, from north to south and east to west. So all this pravritti and then siddhi, when you attain some achievement on stage, Bharata says there are two types of siddhi. One, Daiviki, and the other is Manushi. Daiviki is the celestial siddhi attained by the Devatas, Suras, the sages, and Manushi is humans. Siddhi, Swara, the seven Swara, music students, the seven Swaras come from here. Swaras tata atodya, the four types of musical instruments, beginning from the percussion, the string instruments, the wind instruments, and the metal instruments. And it speaks about Avanadda, Sushira, Tata, and Ghana. Ganam, the song, and ultimately all this combined to be performed on the Ranga. Ranga is the stage. Ranga Mancha, right? Well, I have been fortunate and privileged to be again at this Punya Bhumi, and I thank the organizers, especially our principal ma'am, Suprabha ma'am, and Esther ma'am, and all the teachers and the volunteers involved with this wonderful fusion fest. And I congratulate each and everyone who has participated and come on to the stage. Whether you have won or not, that is not important. You have come up on the stage. You have performed something. If not today, tomorrow you shall win. And even if you don't win, it doesn't matter. Going upon the stage will carve your character, will teach many of the things that you don't learn from life. So congratulations to all of you present here. And am I forgetting anybody? The musicians, the percussionists, I mean, everybody present here. And I think that is enough for this evening. Let us now proceed with the program. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Your words will go a long way with us.
તો મિત્રો, હવે આપણે ગુજરાતની શાન, તેની પરંપરા અને તેના વીરોના ગૌરવનું દર્શન કરાવતી એક વિશેષ પ્રસ્તુતિ જોવા જઈ રહ્યા છે. આપના વીર સપૂતોનો જન્મ આપણી ગુજરાત ભૂમિ પર થયો, જે ગુજરાત ભૂમિમાં સ્વયં નારાયણ સ્વરૂપ કૃષ્ણ દ્વારિકા અને ડાકોરમાં વસે છે. જે ભૂમિ પર નરસિંહ મહેતા, કવિ નર્મદ, રાષ્ટ્રીય કવિ મેઘાણી જેવા મહાન કવિઓ થઈ ગયા એવી ભૂમિને વંદન છે, જ્યાં કલા, સંસ્કૃતિ, શ્રદ્ધા અને આસ્થાઓનો સમન્વય જોવા મળે છે. એવા ગુજરાતને નમન છે. તો ચાલો સાંભળીએ ગુજરાત ગૌરવ ગીત.
सोरठ धरा जग जुनी गढ़ जुनो गिरना एना वजड़ा है जड़ पिए एना नमना नरने नार एना नमना नरने नार एना नमना नरने नार
mesmerizing. Please give them a huge round of applause.
As Henry Ford said, coming together is a beginning. Staying together is progress. Working together is success. We now move to Team Event Awards. I invite Ms. Shelja Nair to announce the winners.
Thank you, Aryan. May I now request our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to escort a chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, onto the stage to give away the next segment awards. For excellence, Vejalpur. Come on up, team. Team Vejalpur. Zydus School. Okay. Moving ahead, the third position in the art of silence is claimed by team code NV01, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans. Come up, team Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans. Congratulations, team. Awesome teamwork. The second position is bagged by team code NV03, New Era Senior Secondary School. Come up, team. Wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations. Claiming the first position in the art of silence goes to performers who proved that words aren't always needed, where every gesture, every expression became a story in itself. The winner is team code NV04, Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. What a performance without speaking a single word. Give it up, team. The proud team on the stage, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. Keep it up, keep it up. We are thrilled to honor the winners of Goonj, a spectacular fusion of vocals, instruments and rhythm under the category 6 to 12. The third prize is awarded to team code NV04, Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. Come on up, keep the josh up. A huge round of applause. It's a team event, everyone. second position goes to team code NV03 New Era Secondary School. Come on up, team. The loudest cheers. What a performance. तालियों की गूंज सुनाई देनी चाहिए. And the top position in Goonj is awarded to the team जिनके हर सुर में एक कहानी थी और हर ताल में एक जुनून. And the winner is team code NV02 Cygnus World School. ये है हमारे सुरीले सितारे. Congratulations, team. Moving on to Act Out, a raw, energetic performance that explores relevant social themes through voice, expression, and presence stirring hearts and awakening thoughts. The third position in Act Out goes to Team Code NV05 Shanen School. Come on up, team, your Act Out has really worked out. The second position in Act Out is bagged by Team Code 07 Delhi Public School, Harni. Come on up, team, run up. What an energy, come up. Congratulations, team. Shadows turn to light a message burning with fire. The crown is now theirs. The winner of Act Out is Team Code NV04 Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. उत्कृष्ट विचार और अप्रतिम अभिनय के लिए हो जाए शानदार तालियां. Congratulations, team. Next are the results of Nritya Anuvad, where students put up a grand theatrical spectacle of storytelling through movement, music, and visual drama. And the third position is secured by Team Code NV03, New Era Senior Secondary School. Come on up, team. Let's not the round of applause stop for anyone. Let's have a huge round of applause. Team New Era. Smile everyone, you're on camera. The second position is bagged by Team Code NV07 Delhi Public School, Harni. Come on up, team, march up ahead. And now the winner of Nritya Anuvad, a team that brought life into timeless tales through their powerful and spectacular gestures, and the team code NV04 Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. क्या मंत्र मुक्त परफॉर्मेंस रहा है. Let's have a huge round of applause for all the winners on this stage today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Aryan for further proceedings.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to the achievers.
It's time to call upon Cultural Presidents, Student Council, Rahul Sunil and Sukriti Panya, to share their reflections on Fusion Fest 2025-26.
Thank you, Ayushi. Fusion Fest has always been more than just a cultural program. It's a celebration of who we are as individuals, communities, and as one global family.
फ्यूजन फेस्ट की खूबसूरती को शब्दों में बांधना आसान नहीं। इसी पे एक छोटी सी कविता हम समर्पित करते हैं। मंत्रमुग्ध थे सभी जब बज रही थी घुंघरुओं की झनकार। उत्साह था सब में जब नवरचना लाया फ्यूजन का त्योहार।
Traditions hum in every song and dance. Cultures unfold with time in a grasp.
परंपरा ने ओढ़ा था नवीनता का श्रृंगार। यही तो है हमारी संस्कृति का अमूल्य उपहार।
The Student Council running far and wide with only passion, love, and heart in every stride.
मंच पर सजे थे रंग हजार, लाए थे संगीत की अनोखी बहार।
Through the havoc and confusion from days gone by, the power of fusion here is worth the fight.
फ्यूजन का जश्न रहेगा यादगार, नहीं भूल पाएंगे हम सब यह शाम शानदार।
Colors that bloom eternal and bright, songs that rise with sacred light. Ancient roots yet wings anew, Navrachna soul eternal and true. Let's carry this spirit with us wherever we go, because when cultures fuse, what we can create is something truly extraordinary.
आज फ्यूजन फेस्ट का समापन है, पर असल में यह अंत नहीं बल्कि एक नई शुरुआत है। इन दिनों हमने यह सीखा कि कला केवल मंच की शोभा नहीं बल्कि हमारी संस्कृति की धड़कन है। फ्यूजन की धुन में सजे थे सपनों के दीप, पश्चिमी राग के संगम में खिले शास्त्रीय संगीत। नवरचना की गाथा अब अमर हो गई आज, 3 दिन का उत्सव बना युगों युगों का साज। शब्बा खैर,
Good night,
शुभ रात्रि।
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us today. I would now hand over the charge to Shelja ma'am for further proceedings.
Yes, audience, the special segment. Thank you, Ayushi. May I now request our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, to escort our chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, onto the stage to give away the prestigious championship trophy. Sport, Mecca Drake with the championship trophy. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the creators. What a way to unveil the trophy. Give it up, guys. And we have Dhruv Patel on the stage. The Fusion Fest 25-26 Championship Trophy is awarded to a team that proved champions are carved through grit and determination. Their journey has been a shining example of where music meets movement, a symphony of passion and precision. In the words of Pandit Birju Maharaj, नृत्य सिर्फ भावनाओं का प्रदर्शन नहीं, जीवन जीने का एक तरीका है. Their art today was not just performance, it was life in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, is it my heartbeat or is it the team's heartbeat? I am not able to make out. Oh, this is too much. Okay, let's go ahead. The championship trophy goes to the most deserving dream team. And they are, any guesses? And they are NV04 Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya. Entire team with the team leaders, please come up on the stage. What a fantabulous performance. Archana ma'am, please come up on the stage. The team is all yours. Round of applause. The champions, ladies and gentlemen. Unmatchable smile, what grit and determination. Congratulations, team. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Over to Ayushi and Ari.
Thank you, Shailja ma'am, and congratulations to the champions.
As the final echoes of our creative celebration settle, it is now time to declare the meet closed. I invite our chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, Chairperson NES, Ms. Sandhya Gajjar, Ms. Sandhya Gajjar, Trustee NES, our Principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, Ms. Anshu Shore, Activity Coordinator, Dr. Chiyayu Bhole, Head of Music Department, and Ms. Lekha Jagani, Head of Dance Department, to come up on the stage. I also invite the members of the core committee, Ayan Khan, Adi Desai, Dhruv Patel, Ayushi Parikh, Nishta Chauhan, Panav Sheth, Rudra Purandre, Peher Mukherjee, Parishi Shah. I request the heads of committees to also join on the stage. Vihan Patel, Diyansh Tilwa, Utkarsh Vandan Kumar, Sahaj Vachar, Advitya Consul, Sukriti Panya, Rahul Sunil, Nikhil Lemos, Prabhir Singh Gotra, Sona Daniel, Sanjam Singh, and Lekesha Agrawal. And Preetha ma'am. I request Darshan sir to declare the meet closed.
Every end is a new beginning. I declare the Fusion Fest 2025 organized by Navrachna Higher Secondary School between 28th and 30th of August closed. Thank you.
All good things come to an end, but what is left behind is the satisfaction of having a work well done, the satisfaction of the winners, the happiness of all the participants who have put in their best. I would like to congratulate every single school which was a part of this event for the effort that they have put in, the beautiful performances that we saw today and yesterday. I would especially like to mention the ballad that I witnessed today. 5 teams participated. I am still not able to understand how the judges were able to come to a conclusion, because each one of them was better than the other. Sensitive topics presented so aesthetically, leaving behind such a mark that will, remain with us for such a long time. Congratulations to each and every school. My compliments to the principal and the management of the schools. And Navrachna Vidyani Vidyalaya, congratulations. I must also put on record my deepest appreciation for the effort that the entire team of Fusion Fest has put in. From the teachers to the students to every single member of the staff, everyone have made their contribution in one way or the other, and the result is there for everyone to see. So, 3 cheers for Team Navrachna. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of the Navrachna fraternity, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. We extend our profound gratitude to our chief guest, Professor Darshan Purohit, for sparing his valuable time and being a beacon of inspiration for all of us. We are deeply thankful to Tejal ma'am and the management NES for their unwavering guidance and support, and to our principal, Ms. Suprabha Menon, for her constant mentorship and encouragement at every stage of this journey.
A special note of appreciation goes to our esteemed judges, who generously devoted their time and shared their expertise with such dedication. Your insights have been valuable in inspiring and guiding our participants. We would also like to express heartfelt thank you to all our participants. Your commitment, enthusiasm, and creative energy have been the lifeblood of this festival. Your passion and teamwork have filled Fusion Fest with rhythm, color, and soul. We extend our deepest gratitude to the organizing committee, whose dedication turned ideas into a spectacular reality. A big thank you to all our sponsors: Career Launcher, Selection, Deepak Garment, Weekend Classes, Capital Advantage, Galaxy Group, Akash Institution, Sachin Patel Association, and Sachin Men's Clothing. I would also like to thank our food sponsors for providing us with such mouth-watering food: Vidhi Foods, The Fern, Old School, and Goodies. I would also like to thank Shape for the championship trophy. Last but not the least, we also have to thank and acknowledge the tireless efforts of our kitchen staff and the ancillary staff. Thank you once again, everyone, for making this event truly memorable. Let us